Okay, well, before we start, we need to find a piece of A4 paper. We're going to fold it in half. Here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take this corner, fold it into the center. Don't worry if this is fast, by the way. You can always slow it down later. Notice what we're doing here, making a nice triangle there. Now, the next fold, the second fold we're going to make, we'll take this top edge across like this onto the bottom. Notice how the edges always line up really carefully. Be as precise and accurate as you can. It's nearly an equilateral triangle, which is what we need to start. Not quite though, so we need to just fold this top piece down again. Make sure the edge folds onto the edge. And there you go. You see, if we press that down really carefully, pick it up, turn it over, and you've got a perfect equilateral triangle. Superb. Okay, here's where the fun starts. Fold your triangle in half. It's got three lines of symmetry. One there, one here. Notice they cross. And here comes the third and final one. Fold it in half. There we go. You'll notice all three of these lines meet right here. That's the center of the triangle, and it's the magic spot. Now look, on the other side of this triangle, okay, we're going to do another spot in exactly the same place where those three fold lines meet. And then here comes the amazing thing. You see, all you need to do is take all 3 points of your triangle, there's the first one, and fold them in so that they exactly touch that spot. And as if by magic, you'll find that you have made a perfect regular hexagon. How about that? Now, here's how to take it and make it into a tetrahedron. Look, I'm unfolding those 3 folds that I made. Now, notice that I can take each point and put it all the way across to the other side of the triangle using the lines that already exist. There's the fold line there. Do the same with the second corner of the triangle, all the way across to the other side. You'll see how easily it folds up. That's the second one, and you can probably guess where the third one's going to be. Here it goes. Let's take the third corner and put it across to the other side. And now I've got 4 triangles, but watch what happens if I fold them up like this. I've got a perfect shape. 4-sided shape. It is a tetrahedron, So if you managed to make one, congratulations.